Hello friends, now we have one HP Officejet Pro 251 series printer with the following mistake. The printhead appears to be missing, not detected or incorrectly installed. This error message appears also on 8600 models of HP. Now I'm going to show you a solution, but this solution will not solve the problem with the printhead for all of you. Maybe half of you will have the chance to get the printhead working again after following the instructions in the video. But anyway, your printhead is not working. You have nothing to lose if you try what I will show you right now. First, we have to take out the cartridges. Take out the ink cartridges. Now we have to take out the printhead. On the right side, just pull up the clutch here and take out the printhead. This is our printhead. Now I will show you how to try to get rid of this error. First, we have to unscrew the 4 screws from the top cover of the printhead. And remove the cover. Disconnect this cable. Unscrew these 2 screws. Be careful because there are springs under here. Take out this part. We have to unscrew the 2 screws which hold this plate. Carefully lift up the plate. You see, let me focus. You see here 8 little springs. Sometimes they not contact proper with the other side, so we have to clean both sides of these springs with a sharp tool or a sandpaper. For this cleaning, I will show you. I use this metal sharp tool. Just scratch the 2 sides of these springs on every spring. and put it back. So when we have cleaned all of the springs, you have to take isopropyl alcohol and clean very well these contact plates with isopropyl alcohol carefully. Also clean these contacts too. They have to be cleaned very well. And now last check of the springs. They are okay, and put all together back in a reverse order. You can put back all together. And finally, the top cover. That's it, and let's hope my printhead will work again. Now let's see the result of our cleaning the printhead. Power on the device. Maybe we are okay. Okay, so you can try on your device. You don't lose anything, as I said. So good luck and thank you.